The market for robot vacuums and mop heads is competitive and crowded with what appear to be the same goods repeatedly. The smart robot vacuum and mop combo known as the Narwhal Freo is here to change that. It is loaded to the pads with functions. The company Narwhal is a recent one. Its first robotic vacuum mop will debut in the middle of 2021. The company's first vacuum, the Narwhal T10, boasts a number of amazing and competitive features due to the T10's mop appearance being so much more durable than what was currently on the market. It was one of the best possibilities for robot mops. In order to expand on that concept, Narwhal is releasing the Freo, a revolutionary robot vacuum and mop combination that elevates the situation to a whole new level. With a suction power of 3,000 pascals, nearly 1,000 pascals more than the T10, the Narwhal Freo has better suction power. The Narwhal Freo may also start a mopping and vacuuming cycle without the need to switch out the accessories first. The Narwhal Freo base station, sweeping robot, is still in white color, and the size is similar to that of the Narwhal T10. There is no consensus on which one is better. The surface texture has been upgraded, the side has added a groove for easy moving, an integrated back cover, and the screw holes have disappeared. From the details of the top of the Narwhal Freo, it can be seen that the process has been upgraded. The physical buttons have been cancelled, and a touch screen is used to switch all functions. The top cover is thicker due to the integrated touch screen. There is no need to worry about the integrated touch screen not working. There are detailed function guides inside. Both the cleaning rib and the base at the bottom of the base station can be taken out, making the cleaning of the base station more convenient. Return from an oval shape to a traditional shape close to a perfect circle. The top structure adopts a traditional classic shape without introducing visual obstacle avoidance. The bottom is changed to sweep and drag integrated mode, which is also a classic module. The accessories interface is different. The 3-claw side brushes changed to 2-claw. Only the mop can be used. I put quotation marks on each word, write it down here, and talk about it later. The volume of the dust box has increased, and the opening mode of taking out the garbage is also brand new, so please note this. The name of the app is Smart Narwhal Freo. The interface, function distribution, and demonstration animation are all brand new. After the official release, I don't know whether the original products and functions will be included here. The Bluetooth auxiliary connection is added, and the speed is super fast. It is the fastest connection among the products I have ever used. The function of sweeping and dragging is integrated, no need to replace the module, and the function that many users have been waiting for has come. This kind of sweeping and mopping integration is not a simple integration. The operation mode has been deeply plowed. Both the mopping and rolling brush modules can be raised and lowered. There are 4 modes of sweeping: mopping, single sweep, single mopping, first sweeping and then mopping, sweeping and mopping at the same time, etc. Switch. Here is a brief introduction to each mode. Sweeping and mopping at the same time. It is suitable for users who clean quickly. When encountering overlapping cleaning areas, the side brushes in this area will be put away to prevent secondary pollution caused by dirty side brushes to the ground. Sweep first, then mop. When this mode is turned on, the mop is lifted when sweeping the floor. The roller brush will be lifted when mopping the floor, and the side brush will be put away. This mode is generally suitable for users who need deep cleaning. Single sweep. The mop will be lifted during single sweep, which is suitable for users who need to sweep the floor alone. Single mopping. During single mopping, the roller brush will be lifted, and the side brush will be retracted, which is suitable for users who need to mop the floor alone. My favorite is the hosting mode. It uses the cleaning mode of sweeping and mopping at the same time. It can intelligently identify the degree of dirtiness of the sewage and judge whether it needs to be mopped. If there is any dirt, it will return to mopping until it is clean. And after setting the floor material, it can intelligently adjust the mopping pressure and recommended humidity according to the material of the floor, which is very smart. When backwashing the mop, 7N pressure is recommended for wooden floors to recommend slightly dry humidity, and 12N pressure is recommended for ceramic tiles to recommend normal humidity. This change may be the demand put forward by some users of advanced floors. The studio's non-brand floor tried to choose floor tiles. There is no obvious effect. It is cleaner. It will also intelligently identify the duration of cleaning the mop according to the degree of dirtiness of the sewage. There is also the function of twisting the buttocks along the edge. The cleaning blind spots of traditional sweeping and mopping robots are basically in the wall and skirting area. This time, Narwhal also tried to propose a solution based on the sweeping algorithm. It is realized by twisting the body, and the cleaning frequency is optional. I have used it a few times and it feels good. The suction power has been increased to 3000 pascals, and the carpet recognition function has been added. For these 2 points, the low EQ argument, the Cloud Whale compromises with the user, and the high EQ argument, the Cloud Whale listens to the user's voice and makes improvements. Whatever you say will do. Whether the touchscreen is more convenient for users, I reserve my opinion. It depends on preference. The automatic water supply and water function is still an optional function, which can be selected according to the actual situation of the family. The function of automatically adding cleaning liquid is retained, but the drying is increased to double machine hot air drying, 40 degrees drying, which improves the drying efficiency and ensures that the mop will not breed bacteria and produce odor. Narwhal Freo has been used for a week. It is a sweeping and dragging robot with excellent comprehensive performance. After carefully studying the relevant functions, I have a bold idea. The current Narwhal Freo and Narwhal T10 are not in an iterative relationship. The teams are respectively responsible for the research and development projects. It is not an answer sheet for Narwhal to compromise with the market and rush to complete the layout, but like the first generation of products, it is the result of deep cultivation, sweeping and dragging logic, edge processing solutions, and jingling hosting for the pain points of existing products in the market. If these functions can be selected and developed in a short period of time, the strength of the Cloud Whale R&D team is really unfathomable. If it is like my guess, then according to the rule that product development should be ahead of time, the real big move of Cloud Whale should be behind, which is worth looking forward to. At present, the first generation products on the market are close to being discontinued. New users can choose Narwhal T10 or Narwhal Freo according to their own budget. They don't have pets and care about mopping the floor. They can accept the choice of Narwhal T10 for manual module replacement. Choose Narwhal Freo directly. I was going to put the Narwhal T10 at home in the studio. I just wanted a white sweeping and dragging robot over there. The Narwhal Freo was at home. Without a doubt, the Narwhal Freo would make a good robot vacuum or mop on its own. Even better, after it has traveled a set distance, the base takes care of washing the mop pads. After that, to completely eradicate any bacteria, those mop pads are dried by 240 degrees Celsius hot winds. The Freo's touchscreen display on top of the base, which enables quick and simple configuration adjustments, is a neat important feature. This is excellent for anyone who would prefer to quickly alter a setting from the base itself than using a phone app. The Narwhal Freo is a great robot vacuum and mop solution for just about everybody, in my opinion. The Freo is expected to be the preferred robot mop and vacuum of the year, thanks to its self-cleaning mop pads in smart mode, which can sense dirt and alter its strategy on the fly. Pre-ordering the Narwhal Freo from the company's website will save you $200 through October 23. That reduces it to $1,099. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and see you soon.